Hello, lovely people. This is your number one snail boss. Yes. So today, a quick one for today. Before you start your commercial snail farm in Ghana, make sure that you have a consultant or an expert to guide you. It's very, very important. Unless you are doing it on a very small scale, say you are starting from the cage boxes in your own home. But once you decide to go commercial or you decide to do anything above 1,000 pieces of snails, then you should get a consultant or an expert to guide you. And for a consultant or an expert, I don't mean just anybody at all you see on social media. No. Make sure that you have been following the person, you have gone through the person's profiles, the person's posts, the person's videos. You know that the person or the expert actually knows what he or she is saying. It is very important because once you get this kind of information, you are 50% gone. Yes, the years of experience of the expert will help you reach success faster than you can do it on your own. Yeah, this is because if you should start on your own, you will have to be doing trial and error, which will delay your success. Snail farming is not as easy as a lot of people make it seem. No, it is not that easy. If you don't know the knowledge, the science and the act behind it, you'll just be doing whatever try and error you'll be doing, and you wouldn't get the result that you need, and you'll be frustrated, and you will think, oh, farming is not worth it. No, there's money in farming. Every agribusiness is profitable, but if you do it and approach it right, then you will have the success there is to it. You can't just stand up and do anything. No. Last time a person called me from Dorinia saying his snails are dying, and he started with 4,000, and it's a hobby for him. Like, wow, a hobby and you are starting with 4,000 snails. No form of expert or consultant on his farm. The workers are just there doing whatever that they want to do, but he, the owner, provided the capital for the setup and all that. You don't just need capital to succeed in farming. You need more than capital. So get the right expert and consultant to help you in your snail farming journey. Thank you.